Hello, Lambach Havens. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into a world of innovative hacks using transparent sticky notes and tabs that you probably didn't know about. First up, go subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Let's start discussing all hacks, one by one. The first hack, tracing diagrams. As you know, by the name, transparent sticky notes are see-through and your secret weapon for tracing science diagrams if you're bad at sketching. Second hack is highlighting. You can highlight and annotate your books without hesitation. After reading it, you still get the new book and resell it. Third is labeling. You can label the main points or important things. Fourth is bookmarking. Bookmarking makes your study easier and helps to find the topics that you're looking for. Start bookmark with your favorite pastel tabs. Fifth is repositioning. Let's talk about its stickiness after repositioning it multiple times. Place your transparent sticky note on multiple surfaces. Its stickiness will remain the same. As you can see, these notes are not leaving any adhesion on your notebooks. Sixth is the labeling the product's hack. These sticky notes are your secret weapon for labeling items without covering them up. Whether it's jars in your kitchen or files in your office, these transparent wonders keep everything neat and visible. Seventh hack, pens that work on these notes. I collected all of my pens. Let's see if these work on transparent sticky notes or not. On these clear sticky notes, make sure to use oil pens. If you use water-based pens, it'll get erased. Eighth hack, waterproof. These are totally waterproof, perfect for those unexpected moments. Let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative ideas. Until next time, stay creative.